Welcome back to another Do As I'm Doing video. Here we are with the mini fridge again. Last time we replaced a relay starter and some other little trinket on the back, and now the thermostat's out. You know, I don't want to spend $100 on a new fridge, so let's spend $15 on a new thermostat. This little doohickey there, okay? First step is we're gonna take out, well, that thing right up there, okay? See if you can get it in there. See that bad boy. It's a little thermostat wire that runs up into that. I'm gonna show you how to take it out. So let's get to it. That kind of just hooks up in there. Okay. Then you got this screw right there. Take that screw out. I loosened it, probably need a screwdriver. Okay, now this whole thing just kind of slides out of there. And yeah, don't lose your knob, it's right there. Here's the thermostat, right? So depending on the mini fridge you got, might have a little model number on it, different model number. But this one is a WPF21EX, it's upside down. But just take a note at how these wires are on there. Blue on the right, black on the left, green on the top. All right, let's show you how to take this sucker off. Okay, so use a little cat's claw to pry that green wire off. Yeah, all right. Let's get your new thermostat. Here's the new thermostat. So we're gonna take and stretch this wire out, steal the insulation wire off of this guy, this insulation coating. Don't know how important that is, but we're gonna take it off anyway. And then feed it back onto the other one. Okay, now just need to put the wires back on. So green wire on top. Oh. And that connector is a little bit bigger than this one. So we're just gonna spread this guy out, probably with this cat's claw. See if we can't make this work. Hey, what do you know? Got that on there. Okay, what do we say, the right? The blue was on the right. Oh, these are all too big. Or too small, depending on how you want to look at it. So let's spread that guy out too. Okay, cool. So now, just gotta put this guy back in there. Like so. Okay, so in this case, this thermostat, the on and off was actually upside down. So I mounted this with the wires pointing up instead of down, which should make the knob match the numbers and the off symbol. Otherwise it would have been upside down, which wouldn't really matter. But yeah, I'd prefer to be right. So there it is. Let's see if we can't get this to work. just gonna fish this wire back up in here. So that's gotta bend up, so it kind of like touches the freezer part. So that's how it kind of knows how cold it is in there. And you can see the knob is the right way up now. Off. And all the way back around. Okay. And that, my friends, is how you change the thermostat on a mini fridge. And until next time, continue to do as I'm doing. Peace.